English vocabulary word of the day, punch, from espressoenglish.net. First, let's work on the pronunciation. The letter U has the sound, like in the words cut, lucky, and fun. The NCH sounds like at the end of the words lunch, bunch, and crunch. Say the word after me. Punch. The word punch means to hit someone with a closed fist. A fist is your hand when you close it tightly into a ball. For example, the guy got angry and punched me in the face. You can also use the expression throw a punch, meaning to punch someone. If you punch someone's lights out, it means you hit the person so hard that they lose consciousness. Another way to say it is knock someone out. Another meaning for the word punch is a drink made of fruit juice mixed with other flavors, sometimes including carbonated water and alcohol. Punch is often served in a bowl with ice at parties. We have a couple of idioms with the word punch. One is to beat someone to the punch. That means to do something before the other person was going to do it. For example, I was going to buy some new knives for the kitchen, but my husband beat me to the punch. This means my husband bought the new knives first, before I had a chance to do what I was planning. Another expression is to roll with the punches. This means to adjust to difficult situations as they happen by being flexible. For example, she doesn't get stressed out by problems at work because she knows how to roll with the punches. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson about the word punch. To continue your study, check out my Vocabulary Builder course, which will teach you hundreds of new words. Click the link in the video to get some free sample lessons from levels 1 and 2 of the Vocabulary Builder course.